Keeping your floors spotless doesn't have to feel like hard work anymore. Best Floor Mop for home options now offer faster cleaning, better stain removal, and easy handling, helping you keep every room fresh, shiny, and hygienic with less effort and more convenience every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Floor Mop. The O-Cedar EasyWring Floor Mop is a practical cleaning solution for anyone who wants spotless floors without spending hours scrubbing. Its microfiber mop head does an impressive job lifting dirt, dust, and grime using only water, making it a great option for households trying to avoid harsh cleaning chemicals. The built-in hands-free wringer is one of the best features because it keeps your hands dry and controls the moisture level with minimal effort. The triangular mop head easily reaches tight corners, under couches, and around baseboards where regular mops often struggle. It glides smoothly across hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors without leaving streaks behind. Another advantage is the reusable microfiber refill, which can be machine washed and reused many times, saving money over disposable pads. The bucket design also helps reduce splashing while moving from room to room. For everyday household cleaning, this mop offers convenience, durability, and reliable performance. It's especially useful for busy families looking for a faster and more hygienic way to keep floors clean and fresh. Number 2. Swiffer PowerMop Floor Mop. The Swiffer PowerMop Floor Mop is designed for quick and convenient floor cleaning, making it ideal for busy homes that need fast results. Its lightweight spray mop design eliminates the need for carrying around a heavy bucket, which makes cleaning feel less tiring and more efficient. The included cleaning solution works well on sticky spills, footprints, and everyday dirt, while the scrubbing strips on the mop pads help break down stubborn messes without damaging finished floors. One of the standout features is how quickly floors dry after use, allowing you to clean high-traffic areas without long waiting times. The swivel head easily slides under furniture and along edges, helping you reach difficult spots with minimal effort. The fresh scent left behind after cleaning gives rooms a cleaner and more refreshed feel for hours. Setup is simple, and the battery-powered spray function adds convenience during daily cleaning routines. Overall, the Swiffer PowerMop is a great choice for people who want a fast, simple, and effective cleaning system that handles routine messes without the hassle of traditional mopping methods.
Number 3. Shark Steam S8001 Floor Mop. The Shark Steam S8001 Floor Mop delivers powerful steam cleaning performance while keeping the cleaning process simple and efficient. Its automatic scrubbing action helps remove stuck-on dirt and stains without requiring heavy manual effort, making it especially useful for kitchens, bathrooms, and high-traffic areas. The rotating pads glide smoothly across sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, and stone, while the steam loosens grime and sanitizes surfaces at the same time. The 3 steam settings allow you to adjust the cleaning power depending on the mess, from quick touch-ups to deep cleaning sessions. One feature that stands out is the LED headlights, which reveal hidden dust and debris in darker corners and under furniture. The mop heats quickly and produces consistent steam, helping floors dry faster than traditional mopping methods. It also feels lightweight and easy to maneuver despite its strong cleaning power. For homeowners looking for a deeper clean without relying heavily on chemicals, this steam mop offers a modern and effective solution that combines convenience, sanitizing performance, and smooth handling in one machine. Number 4. BLONEX Cordless Electric Floor Mop. The BLONEX Cordless Electric Floor Mop is built for effortless daily cleaning and offers a convenient alternative to traditional manual mops. Its tool spin motor system creates forward movement that helps the mop glide across floors with very little pushing, reducing strain on the arms and back during long cleaning sessions. The cordless design makes it easy to move from room to room without dealing with tangled cords, while the lightweight body improves control and maneuverability. The on-demand spray feature works well for loosening dried spills, footprints, and stubborn dirt, and the rotating microfiber pads provide stronger scrubbing action than standard flat mops. The detachable water tank is easy to refill, and the transparent design allows you to monitor water levels while cleaning. Battery performance is another strong point, offering enough runtime to clean multiple rooms on a single charge. It works safely on hardwood, laminate, tile and marble floors without leaving scratches behind. Overall, this electric mop combines convenience, mobility, and cleaning power, making it a great choice for anyone wanting faster and less physically demanding floor cleaning.
Number 5. Bissell 20939 Floor Mop. The Bissell 20939 Floor Mop offers strong cleaning performance for households dealing with frequent spills, dirt, and sticky messes. Its machine-powered scrubbing pads do most of the hard work, making it easier to clean floors thoroughly without heavy manual scrubbing. The corded design provides continuous power, which is useful for larger cleaning sessions where battery limitations can become frustrating. The mop glides smoothly across sealed floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum, while the swivel steering helps reach around furniture and tight corners with ease. The targeted spray feature is convenient because it allows you to apply cleaning solution only where it is needed, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Another major advantage is the included washable pads, which can be reused multiple times and help lower replacement costs over time. The lightweight body makes the mop comfortable to use even during extended cleaning tasks. Overall, the Bissell 20939 is a dependable floor cleaning machine that combines strong scrubbing power, ease of use, and practical features for keeping hard floors looking clean and polished every day. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon